How to cancel Mac subscription. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to cancel Mac subscription. Canceling your Mac subscription is a bit different depending on who bills you. First, open the Macs app and go to your profile. Now tap the settings icon and then subscription. You will see who your subscription is billed through at the top of the screen. If Warner Media bills you, go to macs.com/subscription and sign in. Then choose Cancel Your Subscription and follow the prompts. If you're billed through another provider like Apple, Google, Amazon, Roku, or Samsung, you will need to cancel through their respective services. For example, if you're billed through Apple, go to Apple ID settings, find Macs in your subscriptions, and choose Cancel Subscription. You should receive an email confirmation from the provider you canceled through. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.